It's very beautiful. I like it. Made in China. 5CR15. The steel. Solenox. It's very cool. It has this mechanism here to unlock it. So you just push it like this. It's flexible, as you can see here. It's made to be flexible. And when you open it, you can just release it like this, launch the blade with a slight movement